I'm applying the Boss primer, but I just wanted to add another little quick tip for any of you just starting out. Try and invest in the best paintbrush that you possibly can. Paintbrushes are, I mean, they will last you for such a long time if you get a good quality paintbrush. And I have a whole blog post on salvaged inspirations of my favorite paintbrushes, which I'll actually include in the description box below because it's very important. I use my paintbrushes in a variety of ways. I mean, I use the tips to get into the corners, as you can see here. I pounce the paintbrush up and down to get into the grooves. I use the sides of the paintbrush to do the lip on drawers. And really, you just want to get a really good quality paintbrush so it's not going to split on you, so it's not going to lose bristles. So just invest in something that you can afford at the best that you can afford at any given time. And it will last you for years. If you take care of your paintbrushes nicely, they will last you for years.